30% climbing ability, 75 Hz vibration, 35 kN of compaction force. All-in-one compact machine. Meet the TYPHON Fury 15, built to deliver consistent, efficient compaction on every job site. With an 800mm front and rear drum width and a 530mm drum diameter, it delivers uniform, reliable compaction, smooth steering, perfect control, consistent water spray for a flawless finish. Powered by a reliable 13.5 horsepower engine, the Fury 15 delivers stable performance, fuel efficiency, and long working hours, offering 0 to 8 km/h travel speed and an efficient 300 grams kWh fuel rate with a 5.5 liters tank. Suitable for sloped driveways and uneven construction sites. Efficient fuel consumption of just 300 grams per kilowatt-h allow for longer work cycles with fewer refuels. The Fury 15 features one-key vibration control, powered by an electromagnetic clutch activating front drum vibration instantly for uniform, consistent compaction. An ergonomic operator seat keeps you comfortable, reducing fatigue during long working hours. With a 0.5mm nominal amplitude, 75 Hz vibration frequency, and a powerful 35 kN excitation force, uniform compaction ensuring strength, stability, and long-lasting surfaces on every job. Upgrade your job site today.